Good afternoon. We're gonna talk about significance of cultural heritage centers and the role of students in preserving local history. So, cultural heritage is a vital part of every society, representing its history, traditions, and identity. To safeguard this rich legacy, cultural heritage centers play a crucial role in cities worldwide. These centers serve as dedicated spaces where artifacts, traditions, and stories are preserved and shared with the public. Their significance extends beyond history. They also foster a sense of identity and belonging within communities. This essay will explore the importance of cultural heritage centers, highlight successful examples, and reflect on how students can contribute to their growth and preservation. The importance of cultural heritage centers are essential in preserving the stories and traditions that define a city's identity. They house valuable artifacts, historical documents, and cultural displays that connect to people to their roots. By preserving these elements, heritage centers ensure that future generations can learn about and appreciate their community's past. For example, the Ayala Museum in Manila, Philippines offers immersive exhibits showcasing Filipino history from pre-colonial times to the modern era. In Europe, the Louvre Museum in Paris serves as a cultural landmark that reflects France's rich artistic heritage. Similarly, the Smithsonian Institution in Washington, D.C. provides extensive insights into American history and culture. These successful centers demonstrate how preserving cultural heritage enriches public understanding and strengthens national pride. Beyond education, cultural heritage centers provide cultural heritage centers provide social and economic benefits. They foster cultural exchange by hosting events, workshops, and festivals that brings diverse communities together. Additionally, these centers attract tourists, boosting local economies and creating jobs. As spaces of learning and engagement, cultural heritage centers play an essential role in shaping well-informed, culturally aware societies. Personal contribution as a student, I believe I have a meaningful role in supporting cultural heritage initiatives. One of the most impactful ways to contribute is by volunteering at heritage or at local heritage centers, assisting with guided tours, helping curate exhibits, or participating in cultural events can promote awareness and engagement within the community. Organizing awareness campaigns in schools and universities is another effective approach, and hosting a seminars, exhibits, or cultural performances inspire fellow students to appreciate and support heritage preservation. Additionally, promoting these initiatives on social media can expand their reach, encouraging more people to visit and support heritage centers. Personally, I have participated in a local project that aimed to document the oral histories of elderly community members. This experience helped me understand the importance of preserving personal narratives as part of cultural heritage. By collecting and sharing their stories, we created a meaningful connection between the younger generation and the past. This strengthened my belief that students can play a vital role in ensuring cultural heritage remains alive. So, what is the conclusion here? So, cultural heritage centers are invaluable in preserving local history, fostering community connections, and enriching societies both socially and economically. Their role in safeguarding traditions ensures that cultural identities are honored and passed down through generations. So, as a student, I am committed to supporting these centers by volunteering, raising awareness, and actively participating in heritage initiatives. By taking these steps, I believe we can contribute to preserving the rich cultural fabric that defines our communities. That's all.